First tonight, police in East Providence believe they've had a breakthrough in potentially more than 100 cases of tire rims and tires stolen.
Thousands of dollars worth of stolen items were found Sunday morning after crews were called to a building for a fire alarm. Eyewitness News reporter Steve Nielsen joins us now live in studio with the details. Steve.
Well, Caroline, Mike, stolen tires and rims is nothing new in Rhode Island and really nationally. In fact, in 2017, the Target 12 investigators poured through the data to show what a growing problem it was in several Rhode Island communities. Occasionally, an arrest is made in the act, but it's a tough crime to stop. And that's what makes today's find so significant. In stacks of 4, East Providence police show off their bounty.
I hope it means that they get their tires back.
172 tires and rims seized Sunday afternoon. The $80,000 in property, all suspected to be stolen from cars.
They've been going to car lots, rental unit lots, hotels, any place that's probably highway accessible and easy to get to, and where they can get in and get out quickly and not be noticed.
And where do these tires go after they steal them?
It's unknown. I mean, whoever they decide, wherever the black market takes them.
The chief says 912 Broadway's fire alarm went off Sunday morning. As fire officials went to check it out, they say they found code violations and then this large stack of tires. So they called police, who got a search warrant and picked them up.
It was thousands of dollars in damages, and it was just a nightmare.
Carly Goldstein is one of hundreds of Rhode Islanders who's walked out to her car without wheels.
I was horrified because my tires and rims had been taken off, and my car was just sitting on milk crates, the front of which had collapsed.
Hers were stolen in 2017, but she hopes her tires are in this pile. The chief says she should still call.
I mean, it's a long time. I'm sure people don't sit on stolen tires for that long. So, I mean, I would say it probably doesn't look good for someone with that time frame. But it can't hurt.
Another tire development out of Pawtucket. Police say Christopher DeLuce and a juvenile stole tires from a car Friday night. They're now investigating if the pair is connected to all of these tires in East Providence. So far, there have not been any arrests in East Providence for the tire thefts. Police say they have persons of interest, and they've interviewed people associated with the property, but they haven't charged anyone as of yet. If you've had your tires and rims stolen, contact your local police department. I'm Steve Nielsen, Eyewitness News.